Breakfast of Champions. Mickey waffle. Yeah. Oh boy! Just look at these lines. Oh, This is a Black Panther Magic Band. It's really cool. $32. That's awesome. Okay, so we're here at Disney's Hollywood Studios for a couple of things, just to do some updates and looking around the park to see what's new with Star Wars line construction, Toy Story line construction, and of course Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad. Now, first and foremost, it has been announced on when Toy Story Land is opening. We're gonna have that way right now. So here's Toy Story Land, and as you see, it says June 18th it will be opening, which is very great and pretty good idea. It's be opening so slow. Now, I want to let you guys know right now, I want to give you guys my full-on predictions when I think we're going to have soft opening for Toy Story Land. Now, these are just my predictions, so I definitely want to hear when you think we'll be having a soft open. Let's make this very clear right now. This right here, very important. So for me to give you guys like my thing for like a pre-opening for Toy Story Land, first of all, I would 110% think that this would be opening maybe late April, early June, right after the spring break rushes come and go, get out of here. That's what I believe, that they wouldn't in fact have the soft openings, but you'll just have to wait and see, just like everyone else would. So I think we're all going to be very patient. And also, right inside one, Walt Disney Presents, I have just a strange feeling that maybe soon the meet and greet with Groot and Star-Lord might be going away soon, or maybe a Black Panther meet and greet. Black Panther is a very popular movie right now. It was a great movie to me. I give it a 4, but who knows? Now, for someone like me who wants to do Toy Story Land, I'm not that big into roller coasters, so I'm excited. Oh, we got some stormtroopers in the house. Say what? Now, they do take pictures. It's just by random.
Go get your books. Go get your books.
Okay.
Sorry, no.
Hey, look at me. Hello. I see a bird.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Excellent. I said.
It just wouldn't be a trip if I didn't come here. It says choose 10, but that looks like it's a 3 possibly walk in maybe 5 minutes. Let's go be Chewy, even though I wear my Kylo Ren shirt. I thought I have good insight for him, but you can notice I have the right idea of the green. Hi, Chewy. I know. It has intel for you. It tells you where you can find him at. Where you can find him at, Chewy. You know. Chewy, it's intel on where you can find him at, okay? Don't you want to find him? Just right over there. Yeah, he's just right over there.
Oh. We got, yeah. We have to make a plan first. Make a plan, travel over there, and execute. That's right.
Yeah. That's the good stuff right there, Chewy.
This way.
Hello there, Supreme Leader. I'm ready for your training.
Good. So, you would fight with us?
Yes.
You would not. betray us?
I will never betray you.
I thought not.
Oh man, this is, I don't know if this is weird that there's no one inside the merch store. But it's just weird. So, one of the stormtroopers just walked up to me and started asking me questions about if I knew anything new and interesting and weird. I'm like, yes. So I told him that up there is some weird stuff, and there is. Captain Plasma, their leader, has taken a stage.
Battle thoughts.
That's awesome.
Here they come.
So for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad, it says stay tuned, and that is a proper yes to what's coming. Is that they have, I guess, stopped construction on the ride itself, and it was supposed to open the spring of 2018, but with Toy Story Land right around the corner, I think they wanted to get Toy Story Land done first, and then they're going to work on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad and Star Wars. So stay tuned, 2019, they have some dates then. When? If I had to guess when, I would say probably the spring of 2019, maybe sooner.
Aquarium skills will be
Oh, they're going on 30 minutes.
That's right. This is it.
I believe you're right, Patrick.
Just see you walking down this way, you can see all that rock work in the background. Right there, that will in fact be, you know, this would be the entrance to Star Wars Land, and that picture right there, you get a little closer.
Picture Gooby? That's the line.
So, just look at your orders right back there. Everything you guys see with Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is going to be, this is what the entrance will be in 2019. And you can see that's more for it right there. I think this area is going to be awesome, yes. I'm more looking forward to Star Wars Land than I am with Toy Story Land, so just be aware of that, guys. The two rides are going to be the Millennium Falcon. There's going to be another one. I'm not sure exactly what that's going to be called yet. Or if it is called something, I will probably leave it down on the screen right now for you guys to check it out. And just to be very more specific, these rockwards, that's how tall they're gonna be at. So that's how tall, you know, it's gonna be at. So I expect this land to legit be open, I would say, same as maybe June, July. So it's so confusing here by Disney Hollywood Studios is that a lot of people think, as you can see there's people walking up this way, you can actually walk back here, even though you see these two doors like this, even though it looks like it's closed. You can walk back here. There's a store right there that's open. And all you're basically doing, that's it. And you can hear a lot of construction going on right now with Star Wars Land. Now there used to be a nice wall up right here. That wall's gone. I think this might be like an exit towards one of the rides for Star Wars. Maybe just an exit out of Star Wars and Galaxy Maryland in general, but give you guys a good here stand real quick. You can still, to me, you can still see like an AT-AT in there, maybe an AT-AT, but it's very hard to see now. Oh, look at that. So let's get on out of here. And I just want to give you guys a time limit. It's only like around 10:30 a.m. So it's still very early in the morning for me. And I've done basically everything that I wanted to do here at Hollywood Studios. So I'm going to continue to just, I guess, walk around. If I see something cool and interesting, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Two things. I had a phone call there, and I helped out a guest. Always help out guests. It's the right thing to do. The right thing to do. Take a picture. Look at this pass holder print. That is so cool. For it's only 17 bucks, I'm gonna pick this up. So I just need to bring this out real quick, nice and clearly. It's 10:45 right now. I've done kind of everything that I want to do here at Hollywood Studios. I went on Star Tours. I met some of the characters inside Launch Bay. I don't know what else to do. I 110% might, just might, go maybe to Magic Kingdom. I don't know. Maybe Animal Kingdom. Try to get on Navi River. Spoilers? Maybe. There is time to come. I'm going to Animal Kingdom later. And it's 25 minutes right now for Star Tours. I already went on it. I probably won't get on it again, but I forget what my day is.
Attention. We'll see you again.
He got a close up like
Advance.
that's why they wanted this kid. Yeah.
Okay, Hollywood Studios. So we are out of here. Don't know what park I'm going to next. I know tonight I'm going to Animal Kingdom, but for the time being, I'm done. I had nothing else to really do here. Other than everything I kind of want to do, kind of want everything I want to see. Let's move on to the next park.